so I posted this on my socials and stuff. This is sort of the planning that I do for my content planning. Now, please keep in mind, I have so many videos already filmed. So this here is a spreadsheet that I use. These are the videos that I already have filmed. Let's go over to the table here. This is what I have filmed already. And I think it's like 200 and 200 and something. So I pre-film too much. I do batch my filming, and sometimes I can get a little ahead of myself, but that's neither here nor there. We'll talk about that later. So these are dry erase boards that I got, and the company's UBrands, which you can get at Walmart and also other places like Target. But I love these in general. So this is for my Tia Maria Wig Coach, and this is for my Tia Maria Wigs. Okay, so I have two separate channels. This is for January. So everything in sort of yellow is a full video, okay? Everything in blue is a short. The purple are the podcast, just so I know what's being uploaded in general. And the pink on this board are the members only videos. And orange is my live sales. So I kind of know what's going up when. This is a way for me to more like plan everything, and then if I need to move things around, this is just a visual because I'm very visual. Down here, same concept, except for the pink on this board is for the blog posts that I'm going to be doing on my website, and everything else, these are regular videos, these are shorts. So that's where I'm at with that. I have this little thing, it's for a locker, and I just get these post-its. This board here, I'll link everything. These square little post-its fit perfectly on there, so I have those. And then I just have my content planner on here. And now that I did this and went through and made an Excel spreadsheet, even if you don't have 200 and something videos, having an Excel spreadsheet is really good. I have these categories here. Let's go over here. The first one is obviously the video name, the type, whether it's a short, a video, if it's a clip. Clip means that, like, for instance, I'm showing the cap construction and it goes into a bigger video. If it's PR or not, is this part of another video? Then I put that so I know when I'm looking that this is actually a piece of something else. The location, I film on both of my work iPhone, the Tia Maria Wigs iPhone, which is iPhone 12, and then my personal iPhone, which is an iPhone 13. And I also edit on those, and then I also do edit on my iPad, and I actually have two different programs that I use, mostly iMovie, but I also use Filmora on my iPad. So the location, so I know where they are, if it's time sensitive or not. Usually, like if it's PR, or if something is maybe limited stock, like Paula Young, I want to make sure I get those out sooner rather than later. This is just a topic category. This is where it's going to be uploaded, whether it's on my channel, on my business channel, or both. Then I have this category for delete because some of them, either they were already clips that I uploaded, or I didn't, I had it on here. You don't really need this category. Is it edited? Because sometimes they're edited within those things, but I didn't save them because I wasn't ready for it. And then, is there something that I need to complete it? So like this one needed an intro, so I had to put that there. So that's this spreadsheet.